I think it's just so crazy to me that they're just bumping up these prices.
Yeah, and
And
the
then what
two
are,
terabyte version of it is $800.
dude, that's stupid. You're right. That's a computer. That's a PC build.
Yeah,
That's so dumb.
I mean
So dumb.
that is a really decent budget build at $800.
I'm looking up like what kind of PC can I build for $800? Capable gaming PC that handles 1080p high settings and 1440p gaming. You could get a Ryzen 7600, Intel i5. Yeah, dude. RTX 4060 graphics card, 16 gigabytes. Like you could build a solid PC for that.
Yeah.